Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on update requested in iOS beta update. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to download and install any beta update on your iPhone, you might see the error that your update has been stuck on update requested. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you how to try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. Then go ahead to your settings app here. Just go to general and go to software update, and you just have to try to note the download size or the update size of your update here. So once you have noted, just go back, go to iPhone storage here. You have to make sure that you have 5 GB free more than your download size. So if your download size is up to 10 GB, so you just have to try to free up 15 to 20 GB free in your iPhone storage. After that, just go back and you just have to go to iPhone storage again, and here just go for search and simply search for iOS, and you might get your downloaded update. Just have on this delete update option, then tap on delete update again. It will completely delete your previous downloaded update. So if your download has been completed or it has been started, so it will completely delete and your download will restart. So before you restart, just go back and go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset and tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, your Bluetooth. So you just have to try to go back and try to make a force restart once you have reset your network setting. Now to do this, just quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone. And here you have to try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection. Then go back and open your settings. Go to general. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to software update. Before you retry or you restart your download or your update, I recommend you have to recheck your update size. Just note your update size from here. Then go to iPhone storage and free up to 5 to 10 GB free more than your update size. Then go back, go to software update, and try to start your update now. So once you have started your update, you will not the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.